I will give
If I get close to you, do you want me to just go?
There's- the problem is, um,
We're in a hospital.
are we? Oh, great.
St. John's Hospital. I hate
Great.
hospitals.
I hate hospitals when it's in a horror stance.
Hospitals creep me out, even if it's like lights on everywhere.
Holy
The investigators before they find all the clues.
I do not like this. I don't like how like there's so many no I get the creeps just like walking through this place.
Mm.
Ah. The problem is that there's so many noises.
Mm.
It's kind of hard to detect if it's ever you.
Mm.
Uh
I think someone came here first. We found some old equipment. It seems some things are still working.
This is my left trigger.
oh, speed boost.
Ah.
Shut it. Are you over here? Huh?
No. I'm telling you.
Don't gasp in my. Holy crap! Go away! Go away! Go away!
Okay.
No! Come back here!
Insist.
Come back here!
No, no. Dang it.
You go away when I tell you to. Oh, don't look at that! Don't look at that! No! Of course it is.
Phone is ringing. My Y invisibility.
Yes.
Okay.
And the one that looks like a makeshift light bulb that turns off
Huh?
light bulbs.
Red lights. Okay.
Hatapa! Da!
Aha!
Wait, next time I'm caught by the creature, you will die. I knew this character was weak, but gosh.
Just got an achievement. You scared the crap out of you. You screamed.
Well, yeah, but like when you caught me.
Yeah.
Huh?
Horrors dwell within the dark. What does my B do?
What does it look like?
It's like a swirly thing.
Oh, it teleports you. I don't know if it
Do I
teleports
control where?
you. No. No. Oh, yeah, that's what I wanted to do. Everything goes black and white when you're about to die. I think my sanity is decreasing.
Drudging sound of plop, plop, plop grows louder.
Go away.
About to grow stronger.
Go away.
And I see one of you something.
Go away!
It's no trace in the body. The mind.
This is unnecessarily amount of shush, but shh, 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 shh. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Don't look. Yeah. Okay, I'm pretty sure you're behind me. Yeah.